Let's get real, my loves. This year 2024 is about to end, and we're about to enter the year 2025. And most of us are still making some skincare mistakes. I have talked about skincare mistakes in the past, but I know that most of us are still making some of these mistakes up until now or up until today. And today, I will be sharing with you some skincare mistakes that you should leave behind this year 2024 so that in 2025 you will be glowing like a diva. Hi, my loves. It's your favorite girl, Amarachi Favy. And if today is the very first day you're seeing my face on your screen, you are welcome to the YouTube channel. And on this channel, we do all things related to skincare. I tell you feminine hygiene tips, just girl tips here and there that would help you to level up your game. And in today's video, I'll be sharing with you my top skincare mistakes that you should be leaving behind this year 2024. Like, this should be the last year that you are going to make these skincare mistakes. The first skincare mistake that you should be leaving behind in this year 2024 has to be using harsh physical scrub, okay, to exfoliate your face or exfoliate your skin. It will give you micro tears that will lead to hyperpigmentation, inflammation, and irritation. It will irritate your skin and make your skin to be red and very, very sensitive to other skincare products that you're going to be using. So I would say reduce the way you use harsh physical exfoliants or physical scrubs and get more of gentle exfoliants like lactic acid, glycolic acid, salicylic acid, and then use them just like maybe 2 times in a week or 3 times in a week, depending on the particular skin concern that you are treating. Using harsh scrubs would tear your skin, okay? So please and please, let's leave that behind this particular year 2024. The second skincare mistake that you should not be making would be you purchasing a lot of skincare products. Yes, I've been there in the past, so I should be in a better position to tell you about this particular one. Purchasing a lot of products is good, but purchasing a lot of products is also bad because you would be using a lot and your face or your skin will be confused on the particular one that you are even using to treat a particular skin concern. Your skin will get confused on the one to accept. So I will say narrow down your product or your skincare routine to the particular skin concern that you are having and get the products that will treat that exact skin concern that you are having instead of going to the market and buying a lot of skincare products, okay? And that it is many or that it is too much, that you have a lot of product does not mean that your skin concern will go away, okay? It can even get you into more trouble. Do you understand? It can get you into more trouble instead of treating the skin concern that you are looking for. So like I said earlier, purchase the products that are treating the exact skin concern that you are looking forward to get rid of. And that will save you your money and it will save your time and also save you from, breaking out the more or even causing the situation to be worse. Do you understand? The third skincare mistake that I know that most of us still make even till now is neglecting sunscreen, okay? You do not have to neglect your sunscreen in the year 2025 and even for the rest of the year 2024. If you're just hearing this for the first time, I want you to rush to the market or to the store where you purchase your skincare products and get yourself a sunscreen. Sunscreen would help to protect your skin from the harmful UV rays and protect you from that environmental factor which comes from the sun. It would help you to stay protected so that hyperpigmentation that you are trying to treat will not get worse. It also helps you to stay protected so that you will not have an uneven skin tone, okay? You would have a same skin tone when you are using a sun screen because it will protect your skin from the harmful UV rays. I have been there, so I can also tell you. If you are treating dark spots, treating hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone, and you don't want to have all these things I just listed, okay, vice versa, just get a sunscreen, okay? Get a sunscreen and thank me later. So the fourth skincare mistake that you should not make in this year 2024 and in the year coming 2025 is popping your pimples. Oh, I just feel like I'm talking to myself because I'm actually like like I'm on this table. Okay? But these days I try to resist the urge to pop the pimple because when you pop your pimple, you're going to be giving yourself black or dark spots and hyperpigment. A lot of things. It will cause that area to actually get dark. And you know that this pimple forms, because your skin is stressed. And then imagine popping it again. You're even causing more stress onto your skin. That is why the area that particular area would get darker than other parts of your face. And treating dark spots, like I can tell you that one, treating dark spots is very, very difficult. I think it's one of the most difficult skin concerns to get rid of. Like you would have to use a lot of products, and you have to also stay consistent while doing that. So in order to just avoid all this serere that I just said, do not pop your pimples this year and next year so that you will glow like a baby girl that you are. So the fifth skincare mistake that you should not be making in the year 2025 would have to be you ignoring your neck and your hands. Like I don't know. There are some people that you see their face is glowy, okay? Their face is looking so, so nice, so moisturized, so in fact, it's looking so nice, but their neck is looking so dry. It would be as if there is an age difference between your face and your neck. Like as if maybe on your neck you are looking like a 40-year-old woman or a 40-year-old man, but on your face you're giving like 20-something-year-old vibes. So I would just say while you're moisturizing your face, extend your products towards your neck. Do not neglect your neck. Do not allow your neck to get dry. And especially now we're entering the Harmattan season, do not neglect your neck because it will tell, like the difference would be very, very obvious. And the second place is your hands. Like whenever I wear my face sheet and I'm done like with the face, I actually extend the products, down to my neck and also on my hands. There was a particular day that my friend was asking me, why am I rubbing this thing on my hand? Why am I applying this particular thing on my hand? I was like, I want my hand to actually appear youthful, just as my face is. So if you want that particular glow that you're getting on your face to be same with other parts of your body, I would say the same way you're treating your face, please treat other parts of your body same. Do not starve anywhere of any products that you are using. If you're using your face cream, you extend it to your neck, and also invest in a good hand cream for your hands so your hands will appear youthful and young, so that your hands will not be wrinkled, okay? You will not have a wrinkled hands and then a smooth face. The two does not go well, okay? So the sixth skincare mistake that you should leave behind this year 2024 is going to bed with your makeup on. I don't know what to say, but come closer, okay? Come closer. Like, why? Why are you going to bed with your makeup on? Like, why would you have to sleep wearing a full face beat? And then you come and then you be complaining that you are breaking out, your face is not, as it used to be before because you are leaving your makeup on. Like, why will you be too lazy? Some people will say, I had a very hectic day, so when I came back, I became too tired, I could not wash. Please wash your face. I don't want to hear that excuse again. Please wash your face. Wash off that full face beat. Even if you're not going to take your shower or take your bath because you're not me, wash your face, okay? Wash your face, because if you don't wash the makeup off, the products there will clog your pores and then give you pimples, okay? It will make you to break out. You're going to actually be breaking out. You're going to having acne, and it is not nice. It is not nice. And those products also get transferred to your pillow. And then even if tomorrow you wear the makeup and then you wash it off, the pillow is already, dirty, and then you still put your face. So it just it does a lot of harm than good. So when you come back and you're too tired, you're too lazy to have your bath, please remember to wash your makeup off. Or if you know you're too tired, you're too lazy, you cannot wash, stop wearing makeup. Just go bareface. Do your skincare and go. If you're too tired to wash your makeup off and you keep complaining that you're breaking out, do not just wear makeup. Just go like that, please, okay? Let's just end this particular topic this year. Like, I don't want to talk about this particular thing in my skincare mistakes next year, because a lot of people still complain. And when I ask, they'll be like, I go to bed some nights, I don't wash my makeup. I did not think that it will cause. You did not think. Let's just end it here. So the seventh skincare mistake that I don't want you to make in the year 2025 would be you using expired products. I've explained this in my previous video, but I'll be explaining it again in this particular video because a lot of people still make this particular mistake. So I'll be using two products to illustrate what I mean by using expired products. You might say, but the expiry date of my skincare products have not reached, but you don't know that you're using an expired product. So when you take a look at this particular product, which is Fruisia Shower Cream, it does not contain the particular thing I want to explain, meaning that the expiry date for this one would have to be 2027, March 2027. That is what is written here. It was manufactured 2024, March 2024, okay? It does not have the thing I am going to explain in this video. So for the products that will not have this particular thing I'm talking about, you will just boldly see the manufacturing date and the expiry date on it. But for the products that will have what I am talking about, I'm using this simple soothing toner as an example. If you look here, you'll be seeing 9M, okay? I just hope it's focusing. If it is not, I will bring it closer while I'm editing, okay? So this thing is written 9M, and you will see like a kind of a container that is slightly open, written 9M. On some product is written 12M, some product is written 24M, okay? I would explain. So this 9M is that any day I will start using this simple soothing facial toner, this particular product will expire 9 months after I have started using it. Does it make sense, or should I make it make sense? If I start using the particular product today, it means it will expire after 9 months of using this particular product, whether the product has finished or not, whether it has finished or it have reached the particular expiry date that maybe might be inscribed on the body or not, because it is actually showing an expiry date of 2025, okay? But imagine if I did not finish using this particular toner after 9 months and I'm still using this particular toner after 9 months. It will make my skin to break out because this is already an expired product. So if it is written 12M, okay, it means from the very day you open that product, like open it like this and start making use of it, after 1 year, whether you are done using the product or you are not done using the product is already expired. So you are using an expired product. If it is written 24M, it means that after 2 years of using that product, once you open it like this, after 2 years of using that product, the product is expired. So if you are counting and it reaches the 9th month, and let's say now this particular product is still remaining and is already on the 9th month, what am I expected to do? I'm expected to discard the product. Yes, I'm expected to discard the product and stop using it so that I will not be making a skincare mistake that will cause damage onto my skin. I will be ending this video by telling you some tips that will help you to level up your skincare game. And once you avoid all this mistake I just said and you do all these tips that I am going to say now, you'll be seeing that you're going to be glowy like never before. So the first thing on my tips would have to be you exfoliating your skin. I've said it times without number on this channel. You have to exfoliate your skin. A dead skin cell do not help your skin to glow. A clogged pores do not accept products that would help to brighten your skin. If your skin is clogged, nothing would happen. Nothing would happen. Like, you're not going to be glowing. So the second tip that I'm going to be giving to you would be you staying moisturized, hydrated from the inside, okay? Taking water from the inside that would help you to moisturize. Also using products that are super moisturizing to your skin. If you want me to, make a video on products that are super moisturizing to the skin, leave a comment in the comment section and I will dedicate a full video to the particular topic I'm talking about. And then the third thing is, including a brightening product in your routine, okay? Creating a brightening routine. Include products that will brighten your skin, that will make you look youthful, that will make you look young. This glow up that we're talking about is highly achievable, but only if you stop making these skincare mistakes and then you apply these tips that I just gave in this video. So if you're yet to subscribe to this YouTube channel, please remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel. It helps me to know that you are loving the content that I am putting up. Remember to give this video a like and also share to somebody that you know that might be making one of the skincare mistakes that I just said in this video. Turn on your notification bell so that you'll be the very first person to get notified once I upload a new video. And until next time, my loves, stay glowy and bye.